My name is Myron Monroy.
I'm Darcy Logan.
I'm Ashante Campbell.
Today we will be performing some demos and explain the science behind them. And first off, it will be Ashante doing experiment number 2. Then I will follow along with experiment number 6 and 7, and Darcy will end it with experiment 10 and 11. So you guys can follow along.
For my experiment, I'll be explaining inertia. So inertia is the tendency to do nothing or remain unchanged. So on this, I'll be hitting this brick. You ready?
Make it artist.
1, 2, 3.
So for this experiment, I used a plate.
Dun dun. Dun dun dun.
My name is Omar.
My name is Ulysses.
My name is Quasi.
And first, I'll be presenting experiment number 2, which is using a plank of wood and a hammer. And I'll demonstrate it right now. Now, the reason it didn't break is the plank of wood, since it has a large inertia, it's a rest. As the hammer hits the wood, the force from it is resisted by the inertia of the wood and is able to protect the glass from breaking. Now my second experiment is number 9, which is using a card and coin. And I have to put enough force for the card to, as you could say, fly off, and the coin has to stay in my finger. You can see right here. Now, since the card is struck with a quick force in my hand, it is able to move under the coin due to the force of impact. The coin stays on my finger because of its inertia and is able to resist the motion under it. The force acting on the card is enough to overcome the friction between these two objects.
Fantastic.
I'm Jocelyn. And Shaddai.
I'm Janelle.
And we are going to be doing demonstrations that are going to be testing inertia, Newton's first law, and things of that matter. What I'm supposed to do is I'm supposed to hit this brick, and this brick, the glass is supposed to be perfectly fine. And I'm really hoping it's perfectly fine because my mom's not very happy with this.
Move the egg out. Yeah.
The reason, thanks. The reason that the glass is not supposed to break is because the brick has a larger inertia and it tends to stay in rest. So here we go. I'm not going to hit it very hard.
Okay. It has to work. Okay. So the inertia from the egg, it wants to stay in place. It won't move since the only things moving are the paper plate and the tube. And once there's nothing underneath holding the lemon in place, it's going to drop right into the water.
That was cool.